You know what I'm saying? It's us at the birthday party, chilling out. It's Jonathan's birthday on deck. Me, Mr. Kodak, on deck. We got Khaled, we got Travis, you know what I'm saying, on deck. Just too fresh. With Nika. They doing their thing like always. Look at the lips. So we got Trey on deck. You know what I'm saying? The Fresh Prince out this day. We got Chris Richboy on deck. Doing his thing like always. You know what I'm saying? Me, Mr. Kodak, aka Mr. Swag King. Doing his thing always. Mr. Too Cold on deck. I'm a beast. Mr. Coming Soon. The future of this Johnson family. You know what I'm saying? We got Janine right there. Baby. You know what I'm saying? Looking all cute. You got her. Yeah. That's the same thing I said, but hey, he did it anyways. We got JL right here. Cute tonight, like always. One thing about the birthday party, doing it big. Got Uncle Johnny right here, taking all the pictures, like always. Picking at the digital camera on deck. You know what I'm saying? Got Benjamin, coming up on Grandma. There's Jonathan, the birthday boy. Just had a full hair head, now he cut it. I don't know what the heck was wrong with him, but he cut it anyways. So we just gonna leave it as that. But there he goes right there. First on deck, boots it up. We have my beautiful mother, the angel of the hour. I mean, oh my God. I can't even speak of words on how beautiful this lady is. You know what I'm saying? She blessed me with my life. Me, my little brother, Tyreek, aka Mr. Coming Soon. Travis, the other me, you know what I'm saying? Here she is right here. You know what I'm saying? That is all of her. Oh, now she waving. You know what I'm saying?
Where's my bag of hair?
His bag of hair. Yes, I did throw it away because I didn't know. I'm sorry. It's in a big garbage can. We'll get that out. I seriously, I didn't know that. But it's still in a garbage can wrapped up. So it's all good. But then we got Devin right here. You know what I'm saying? So, go out there. You see the hat. You know what I'm saying? Looking all fresh. Like, oh, no. He did a nasty with the hat. Hold up. Let's get a close-up on that. Let's get a close-up on that hat. Whoa. That's sick. That's sick. Where you get that from, boy?
DD's Discount.
Oh, DD's Discount. That's where we picked that up at. But you see me, you know what I'm saying? Head to toe, looking all fresh. Oh, you see. The yellow is a killer. Look at me. Oh, my God. I'm a freaking beast out this day. You know what I'm saying? Thanks to Child. Best me with the fit. You know what I'm saying? On deck. American Eagle. You better get it. So we got here, Auntie Cat here. You know what I'm saying? Swagging on one side. Swag one time.
You already know.
Swag one time for him. Swag one time. Okay, oh, okay. That's love right there. We gonna leave that at that. But she swagged on it. But we got Travis right here.
Oh, it's back me again?
You know what I'm saying?
Hold on. Show the golf swing. Show the golf swing.
Show the golf swing. He about to show you the golf swing real quick. Hold on. Let me get this. Boy, hold up. Now I'm saying they fixed him up right now, but he about to show you the golf swing. Oh, hold up. Look at the ball. Look at the ball. Hole in one. Hole in one right there. Hole in one right there. Let's get a close up on the glasses though. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Excuse me. Excuse me. Get that out of there. Oh my God. Let me get a piece of that. Alright, you know what I'm saying? There right now, we got Anjali on deck. She got a kiss on her forehead. Is that some lipstick? I don't know what that is. It looks like a kiss, but we're just gonna call it a kiss. There she's going. Smile, Anjali. Smile. Okay, we don't know what's wrong with her. She just ain't smiling this morning. So we got Benjamin right here. You know what I'm saying? This is the future of the Thomas family right here. You know what I'm saying? Looking all brand new. They cut his hair. I don't think they should have cut his hair, but they cut it anyways. So we're just gonna leave it at that. Then we got the oldest woman of the house, you know what I'm saying? Grandma on deck to everybody of us all and mother of us all. Right here.
What you doing?
We're making a video.
Oh.
Birthday video. This is her right here. You know, cute. That's how we gonna do it. Then we got this thing. I don't know. You can call it cute, but it's okay.
I'm the one that bought it. I want to know.
Oh, we got the ghetto one right here for the family. You know what I'm saying? Right here, you see, that's all. That's not her real hair. That is all weave. All this is weave. All this is weave. All Alright, just making sure. Alright. You know what I'm saying? Right now. Spray. You know what I'm saying? But like I said, we got me on deck, you know what I'm saying? Looking at fly as usual. You see that smile. Did you get that smile? Hold on, let's do it again. That was a beautiful smile, you know what I'm saying? We out this day, we got Benjamin still looking at fly as usual, you know what I'm saying? He always looking stuck. I don't know what's wrong with him. You don't know what's wrong with him, but hey, that's just how he look. Well, okay. But you know what I'm saying? But me, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna just go chillax back at the table. Like I said, this is the epidemic going on. So let's get the birthday boy one more time for the 010. I like the 09, but we gonna say 010 tonight. There you go right there.
What I'm supposed to say? I got a new haircut. I got a new life. Stop looking at
He got a new haircut. He got a new life. He's the man of the hour. Now, you know what I'm saying? This is, you know what I'm saying? Antonio Johnson. Nickname TJ, a.k.a. Mr. Kodak. You know what I'm saying? On deck. Always. They call me Mr. Kodak because my pictures is too far. I will show you what a model look like. But then, whoa. Let's get the earrings on deck.
You know these come out on April.
Earrings come out on April. He will be getting an upgrade. I promise you that. Then we right here. Right here we got this is our waiter on deck, you know what I'm saying, for the night. The best one, you know what I'm saying. The best waiter. If you come to this restaurant, I don't even know what this restaurant name. What is this restaurant name? Tony Romo's. We got iDrive, you know what I'm saying. The best. J-Dub. The best waiter in the house tonight, you know what I'm saying. It can't get no greater than this tonight. You know what I'm saying? And this is Antonio Johnson, a.k.a. Mr. Kodak, signing off for right now. Take one. Bye.